Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Darlene, aka D. So what's D cooking today? Well, D is going to be making lumpia for you guys. Lumpia is very popular in Filipino homes. We always have it at parties, gatherings, neighbor's freezer like mine. So feel free to reach out to me if you need lumpia. So I got your back. How I got this recipe, I actually got this from my mother-in-law. So this is one of those comfort foods that we always make sure that we have at home. So thank you, Mom, for passing it on to us. We always miss you every time we cook this recipe. So we hope that everybody's okay over there back on Guam. Anyways, I'm getting hungry, so let's go ahead and get started. These are the two kinds of wrappers that you can use. So you can either use the Menlo wrappers, which is the one on the left, and the other one that we typically use, my family anyways, is usually the Simex lumpia wrapper. You can find it at any of the Asian stores, and some Menlo might be carried through your grocery store, the regular grocery stores. Just check it out because sometimes they do have it available. I've cut the wrapper open, and this is what it looks like. And then the other one, the Simex brand, just open it up, and this is what it has. It actually even has a lumpia recipe, but I have not followed that at all, so I'm not really sure what it is. And this is how that one looks. Just to show you what it looks like or how you can peel it, I usually take it right in the middle and just do it this way, and then I just start peeling it one by one. The Menlo wrapper is usually a lot easier to peel because it's more of a wonton-ish texture than the other one, the lumpia, the regular Simex. This one's it's a little bit more challenging, and usually it's the same thing. I just find a middle area or find a spot where it opens up, and then I just peel it. For our ingredients, we have 2 pounds. I have half pork and half beef, ground meat, and I have a small can of the sliced water chestnuts, and I went ahead and just chopped it up finely. A cup of shrimp, and I also minced it. And I have 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. This is how I was taught. My husband actually taught me how to do this, and thanks to my mother-in-law who passed it on to my husband Ron, I'm able to help him create this dish. Let's go ahead and begin the process. So I'll take one of the this is the Menlo wrapper, and I'm just gonna do like a diamond. And I'll take about a tablespoon of our mixed meat here.
it, our finished product. Typically for a 2-pound worth of ground beef would yield about 80 pieces of lumpia. So I can't wait to try. Let's go ahead and fry them up. Set your stovetop to medium heat. And I put down about half of a pan of oil. I also made some lumpia made out of the Simex lumpia wrapper. So it looks like this. They're frying up now, so just wait a few minutes and then we'll just turn it. Here you have our finished product. We have our lumpia nice and golden, and I have a sweet chili sauce to accompany it as a dipping sauce. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video and happy cooking. And I have a guest taster in the house, Ron Rivera. This is his mama's recipe, so let's go try it out, honey. What do you think? Does it pass?
Tastes just like Mom's.
Are you sure?
Was perfect with palabok.
Okay. Cheers!